Hello everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a box opening. So my good friend Brittany Tollberg, she sent me a little box. So I'm just gonna open everything up and share with you guys what Brittany Tollberg sent me. And oh good, notebooks. Since I'm on a fast from the Dollar Tree, then I can get some notebooks. Yes. All right, so right on the top, I'm seeing some stuff for the kids. Scarlett, there's a surprise for you. Come here. Come over here. No, over here, come stand.
Oh, toy!
This is a Barbie. It's a Christmas Barbie. How cute is this? Scarlett, come look at the camera right here. Come over here by mommy. Come over here by mommy. Can you say thank you, Brittany?
Thank you, Brittany.
Oh, this is so sweet. This is Scarlett's first Barbie, Brittany. She does not have any Barbies yet. Wow, this is so special, Scarlett. This is your first Barbie. Check that out. How cute. And it's the Christmas Barbie. Oh, I love this. It's your first Barbie, Scarlett. I'm so excited for you. It's your first Barbie doll.
What is it?
It's a doll.
What's her name?
You name her. What do you want to name her?
I want to name her Ariel.
Oh, she named her Ariel. Very original. Have fun with that, Scarlett.
I will. There's nothing for you, Shelly.
Okay. Sawyer! There's something for Sawyer. Come here. Wow. And Sawyer has some Matchbox cars. Sawyer, come here. What are these? Cars?
Yeah.
Are these cars?
Yeah.
Sawyer, can you say thank you, Brittany?
Thank you, Nini.
Oh. Should we open them up?
Yeah.
Okay. How cool. Sawyer loves cars. There you go. Okay. Go on. Go sit down. Those are Sawyer's.
Not so.
Not Scarlett's. How cool. Thank you, Brittany. That was so sweet of you to send the kids some goodies. What else? Ooh, a water bottle. A Laura Ashley water bottle. This is cool because you can infuse it with fruits. I love that. Thank you so much, Brittany. I swear, Brittany spoils me so much. Oh, here's another little car, Sawyer. You got one more car. You want another car? Wow, look at all these cars that Sawyer got.
And look at the Barbie I got.
And look at the Barbie Scarlett got.
It's a Christmas one. Nothing for you. And not too toys.
Oh, thank you, Brittany. Yes, all of my notebooks. I'm so excited for these. Since I'm not shopping at the Dollar Tree this year, I needed some notebooks. Okay, you guys, go play with your toys over there. Take your stuff and go play on the couch. Go on. So this is the first notebook that Brittany sent me. It's the Flamingos. It says to do. And then this one says walking on sunshine. And this one just says notebook on it. I love the colors on this. Oh, this is cute too. And the cactus, love that. And then we have some more pineapple stickers. Maybe I'll give these to Chris and he can do another scavenger hunt. And then I have this pineapple one from Crown Jewels. Oh, and this one is to go on the fridge, the magnetic ones. Thank you. This would be so helpful. And then we have some list pads. So it says on fleek, party like a pineapple. And then it has the little unicorns on here. That's super cute. Oh, and these are holiday ones. Always on holiday, be merry, and slaying it. Love that. And then we have some love notes and good vibes. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And then there is a makeup bag with some pineapples and the pom-poms. That is so cute. All right, let's see what's in here. Ooh, look, it's a pineapple. So this is the Rainforest of the Sea Tarte Lippies, I think it is. Oh, I'm so excited. How stinking cute are these? Oh my gosh, look at these. So cute. I love this so much. Look at that. Oh, and they smell like mint. Oh, I love these so much. Thank you, Brittany. I need to have a pineapple lipstick, and the packaging is pineapple too. This is so cute. Thank you, Brittany. Thank you so much. All right, and then we have Balm Beach. So this is a blush. I love the Balm blushes so much. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, I like that. Yes. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna rock that. I might even be able to use that as a contour because I'm so fair. Oh, Mary Lou Minizer. Yes, I used to have this and then I don't know what happened to it, but this is a really good highlighter. Brittany, thank you. You are so sweet. Oh, yes. Thank you, Brittany. All right. Oh, and a pineapple Sephora mask. Oh my God, Brittany, thank you so much for all these goodies. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I am so excited for this pineapple lipstick. Brittany, I love you so much. You're always so thoughtful and you're an amazing friend. I love you so much and I hope you enjoy your essential oils that I got you. Oops, I just saw this that the single car was for Tanner. Oops. Yeah, we'll give it to him when he's ready. But in the meantime, Sawyer will just try it out for him. So thank you so much, Brittany, for sending me this box of love. It was definitely a fun surprise. I love this so much. This is so Gina. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate our friendship, and so I'll go ahead and leave her channel linked below. She is killing it on the uploads lately. She's been getting a lot of really great deals on clearance finds. She is a master at scoring after Christmas clearance at Target. She gets Starbucks coffee for like 90% off, so she is so lucky in the area that she lives in because my area never gets that low when it comes to the Starbucks clearance and the Christmas clearance. So definitely go and check her out, subscribe to her channel, send her some love. Thank you guys so much for watching this friend mail unboxing, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.